everyone, welcome back to Vaishi Makeup. This is Anamika and today is the Envy box day, and I just received my Envy box like yesterday, and I thought that I am going to unbox this video in front of you. And like I promised in my last Envy box unboxing video, that I am going to give this box in a giveaway as well. Whatever be the products, no matter whatever they give me and how tempted I am to keep it with myself, but I would like every month to give my viewers this Envy box. So are you ready and are you excited to know what all is in this Envy box, right? So let's begin. So to begin with, let's check out the theme of this month Envy box, and it is Get Up and Boogie January Beauty Box. So they have given, like always, 5 products, and let me show you like the packaging. This is like a January party popping packaging, and yes, my January was amazing. Like my new year was amazing. I hope you guys have seen my vlog, and if you're not, I'm going to link it here so that you can check out my Hong Kong and Macau vlogs. And every Tuesday we do vlogs, and every Thursday we do beauty and fashion, and Saturday also we do beauty, fashion and DIY. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with what all is there in this Envy box. And then there is this Cheryl's Cosmic Cuticle Skincare that works. It's an instant radiance lotion. I've heard good things about this lotion actually, and it's a sodium kukai laninate and whatever. Let me tell you what it is meant for. After cleansing and toning, apply this. This is basically a face lotion, so you can use it on face and neck and spread well with light movements. So basically this is a lotion and it is of 50 grams, so not bad. And then there is this lip gloss. This lip gloss is XXX Shine lip gloss. XXX Shine lip gloss. Okay, so this is the wand, and let me just swatch this for you. It's kind of like orangish, not exactly orangish, it's like milky orange shade if you can see it. And then it smells great. It smells awesome, and it's a full size product, and it costs rupees 229. Then there is mascara, and this is the Essence Plump No Clump mascara, which is deep black in color. Let me show you how it is. This is how it looks like. And there is a lot of Essence Cosmetics coming up in the market, isn't it? I'm like watching and reading a lot about Essence Cosmetics in here and there in the vlogs and the videos. And this is of rupees 349, and it reduces clumping for long, voluminous and separated lashes. Okay, let's hope that it does that. Then there is this hair perfume. Although I get really excited when there are hair perfume in the boxes, but I rarely use them. I rarely get the time to use them. So you tell me if you use hair perfume, or they are just like okay, like, or probably girls must be using it when you are going on a date, right? Yeah, oh, those days. So this perfume is of rupees 650, and this is basically a how many milliliter bottle? Like this is for rupees 650, and I don't know how much ml it is, but for 50 ml it is rupees 650, and for full size it is 1210. It better smells so good, because like 100 ml hair perfume for 1210, pretty expensive. And last but not the least, which will be in the giveaway, is this Bombay Perfumery Woman. That's what it is called. It's a sample size perfume, and I have to show you how it is like. Look at the packaging. Ta-da! This is like 2 ml each. Looks so cute. You can just carry it in your bag and use what you're feeling, and smells good all day. So I really got tempted for this because I like perfume, and the small cute bottles always help save space in your bag. And so this is it. These are the 5 so this is it. These are the 5 products which have come in this month Envy box. So I going to give this in the giveaway. So this is the perfume, this is the lotion, mascara, the hair perfume, the lip gloss, and all the coupon codes which they have sent me. You can make use of them. I would really like and will be happy if all these products which I give you really makes you happy and makes your day. So for the terms and condition, all you have to do is share this video on your Facebook page and give the link of that share in the comment section. Talk about this giveaway on Instagram as well. If you do not have Instagram, it's fine, but if you have it, then please do it and mark it in the comment section if you have done it, and just tag me. So that's about it. I'm going to write the terms and condition in the description box if it confuses you, and I will see you again in the next video on Saturday. Till then,